Hey, so this is part 3. Check out part 2 before watching this one. One thing that I really want you to not miss is what happens in Acts 2 when the Holy Spirit comes upon the believers there is different than what happens in John chapter 20 when he breathes on them and says, receive the Holy Spirit. The Bible does teach us about the different works of the Holy Spirit. And Jesus said in John 14 to his disciples that the Holy Spirit will be with you. When he was using it there, it was like alongside you. And Jesus, he was still alive and everything. And he was talking to his disciples in John chapter 14. And he says that the Holy Spirit dwells with you and will be in you. That's future, like that's gonna happen. At this point, it hadn't happened. Then in being used there is indwell. Like what we were talking about being born again, that's it. Holy Spirit will come to indwell the believer. Jesus tells his disciples just before he goes to heaven in Acts 1:8 that they're going to receive power from the Holy Spirit when the Holy Spirit comes upon them. So we've talked about indwelling in the other scriptures, and we talked about coming alongside, right? And now this part, we're talking about coming upon us, the Holy Spirit. Coming upon us, that's to empower us. Go and check out all these scriptures and read everything that I just went over, and even in part 2, and then go and start reading Acts 2 so we can look into more of that next time.